Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about the upcoming Sephora VIB sale. I'm going to be sharing the top 10 items on my current Sephora wish list. Let's get right into it. Alright, so the VIB sale is coming up in the upcoming weeks. It's going to start on April 9th to April 19th for VIB Rouge. You get 20% off. For VIB, from April 13th to the 19th, you get 15% off. And for all beauty insiders, from April 15th to the 19th, you get 10% off. I haven't done like a big Sephora purchase or haul since the last VIB sale back in like October or November. I normally just do like 2 big Sephora orders for each sale every year, and sometimes there's a lot of products that come out in between then, but if I don't need it right away, or if I don't feel like I don't need it right away, I just hold off until the sale. And I came up with a list of 10 items that have been on my loves list, items that I've just been eyeing or just kind of look at anytime I enter a Sephora and like window shop. So my first product is a skincare product from the brand Summer Fridays, and Summer Fridays is honestly one of my favorite brands, but I've only tried 2 products, the jet lag mask and the lip mask. And I love those products, but I'm just a huge fan of this brand overall. I love Marianna Hewitt. I've been listening to her podcast like every day. So I'm like such a big fan of her work, and she is the co-founder of the brand. And I just want to try out more from Summer Fridays. So they have a Cloud Dew Oil-Free Gel Cream Moisturizer. Retails for $42. It's been a little while since I picked up a new skincare product. I have a bunch of products open that I'm just trying to use up. But honestly, since I've been doing some declutters, some of my products have probably gone bad or at least are less effective. So I can start updating my skincare routine a little bit, and that's something I'm definitely eyeing. I love gel cream moisturizers, especially for spring and summer. They just are so good, really lightweight and refreshing, and I'm really excited about that one. Next up, we have a product from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They actually haven't released too many makeup products, I feel like, in the last year, but one thing that caught my attention is the Brow Freeze Styling Wax. Retails for $23. I feel like this is gonna be a very similar product to one of my Holy Grail products, the Patrick Ta brow wax that I have been using every single day for the last year. I got this around April of last year. So I use a brow wax every day. That one comes in clear. This one is obviously tinted, but I have seen some reviews saying that the Anastasia one is a little bit better, a little less flexible, and something that really holds your brows in place. So I'm definitely interested in trying that out. I've honestly tried to purchase it a few times anytime I've gone in store at Sephora, and it's always sold out, so maybe I'll be able to pick it up online. Number 3 is a product that actually just released, and it's from the brand Isle of Paradise. This is a tanning brand. They have those self-tanning kind of like light mist. They're really like gradual tanners. They have face tanners that are really lightweight as well. I never really fully self-tan. I basically just use self-tanner if I get a tan like on my shoulders or something and I want to even out the rest of my arms or my legs or something like that. So this is a product that would be great for that, and it's a self-tanning body butter, and it retails for $25. It just released. It basically reminds me of the Jergens Natural Glow lotion. I used to use that all the time back in high school. Basically like a gradual tanner that you can build up over a couple days, or you can apply it a lot more casually than some other self-tanning products, because I do not have the patience for a self-tanning mitt and that whole process, exfoliating, shaving your legs. I barely have time for that. So I'm gonna be picking this up for sure. All right, so next up, this is a product I've been seeing all over TikTok. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. Now I've tried the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, liquid highlighter and liquid blush. I'm pretty sure I decluttered them. I kind of wish I haven't, because I've seen so many people use them now, and it makes me want to see if I like them better at this point. I've been more into cream products. Like today, I contoured with the cream contour from Chanel. I'm wearing the e.l.f. cream blush. I've been incorporating more of those products into my routine just because I'm trying to change up my day-to-day routine for springtime and just like the products that I'm using. And this is something that I've been seeing everybody cream contour with on TikTok, and it looks so good. And I have a feeling I'll really like this product just because it's more of a precise applicator and precise contour compared to like a jar of cream contour. And it's actually sold out online at Sephora. I'm pretty sure it's because there was a Vogue tutorial with a girl, Madison Beer. I'm like 10 years older than her. I don't really know who these people are, but she's just this beautiful girl. She did a Vogue makeup routine and everybody's been recreating it using that product. So I have a feeling that's the reason that it's sold out at Sephora right now. All right, so number 4, this released a little while ago and I really wanted to get it when it first came out, but it kind of got put on the back burner for me. But this is from Rare Beauty. It's a Stay Vulnerable liquid eyeshadow. They have 5 different shades and it retails for $20. This is another thing that TikTok made me want to purchase just because I saw a girl do a tutorial where she applied this and it was just like one sweep of the product and her whole eye looked basically complete with just like one liquid eyeshadow. I don't necessarily like cream eyeshadows. I don't know if I've really tried out liquid eyeshadows except for like a glitter topper or something. I've never really tried liquid eyeshadows of just like a normal shade. But I've been kind of just doing my makeup a little bit differently. I'm barely wearing eyeshadow these days. I've been really just focusing on my face makeup and I just do like 1 to 2 shadows on my eye, and I think that this would kind of suit that routine a little bit more. So next we have a product from Patrick Ta, one of my favorite brands, and this is a product that I've actually really wanted for basically the last year, but it didn't make sense to purchase it. It still doesn't necessarily make sense to purchase it, but let me just tell you what it is. So it's the Major Glow All Over Glow Balm. Retails for $50. Basically, it's a skin gloss. Now, up until recently, I haven't been wearing any dewy makeup, especially wearing a mask. I'm still wearing a mask every day, but now I'm actually wearing more makeup at home just because I have so much makeup. I might as well wear it. I talked about this in my declutter that so much of the past year, I didn't wear any makeup because I'm like, what's the point? I'm not leaving my house, but it really put me like in a funk, and just getting ready in the morning and putting on even just a little bit of makeup, even if I'm not going out, makes me feel so much better. So I don't care. I will wear this sitting right here all day long. And then even when I do go out, you can apply this as a body gloss too. So you can apply it on your shoulders, on your neck. As we're getting into summer, I'm going to be wearing like more dresses and stuff and less like layers, so it makes a little bit more sense to purchase that product now. It's something I've been wanting for a while and I'm really into that dewy glossy makeup look. So number 7, this is a product from Marc Jacobs. This was a whole collection that I was really interested in when it released a few months ago. I don't really feel like I've seen people mention this. I haven't seen it on my own like Instagram or YouTube feeds, but this is the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Caffeine Concealer and Foundation. I think this is like a 2-in-1 foundation concealer. It has caffeine in it, and I just think those products are kind of cool where it's like innovative, where it has like extra ingredients. And I kind of like the limited edition collections from Marc Jacobs. Like I love their sequin eyeshadows, their coconut products. Those are the majority of the products that I have from Marc Jacobs. Now this retails for $39, and this is something I definitely need to see in person. I'm not really concerned that it's limited edition, especially, I don't know why, with something that's a little bit more of a high-end brand, I kind of am okay getting limited edition products, especially because it's a little bit pricier. So if I love it, I don't necessarily want to spend that much money again on the product. But let me know if you guys have tried this because I really haven't seen any reviews, and I kind of like the idea of the whole like caffeine collection, something that's supposed to have benefits to make you look more awake. It might just be some of the claims, but I just think it's an interesting product that I definitely want to check out and see a little bit more of. All right, next up, this is another thing I've seen some, I actually haven't seen reviews, but I have seen some people purchase this. JLo Beauty. I feel like that came really quickly and it was only hyped up for like a day. I actually expected this to get a lot more traction. I know there's not too many products. They're mostly skincare products. And I just highlighted this small kit that's a 4-piece kit from Sephora for $64. I'm not necessarily excited for any particular product, but I just want to try something out from JLo Beauty. I think that all of the products are really pricey, like basically comparable to Charlotte Tilbury, and I feel like the brand looks really similar to that. There's a product that looks really similar to the Magic Cream that is also super expensive. So I think that might be where it loses a little bit of appeal because it's definitely a lot more high-end. pricing than like Fenty Beauty, which is like another celebrity line at Sephora. Basically, this looks like to me a blend between Charlotte Tilbury and Tom Ford makeup, or like YSL makeup. They're all kind of like skincare and highlighter products, but I love JLo so much, so I kind of want to try something out. So number 9, we have a product from Lawless, and this is actually a lip product. And in my recent declutter, I tossed my Lawless liquid lipstick. Those things smell so bad. I remember like it just made me feel a little bit dizzy, honestly, when I would apply it. Like it just smells like almost like a medicine kind of scent. It just wasn't it. But this product, I followed the brand owner, Annie Lawless, and when she was demoing this product, it just looks super cool. It's called the Forget the Filler Lip Plumper Line Smoothing Gloss. So it's basically almost like a lip gloss that has primer to it, so it kind of smooths over your lips. And it retails for $25. So since I've been doing more minimal natural makeup lately, I feel like that falls into this category. Something that you can just wear on its own. It's going to give you a little bit of a fuller lip look without adding too much product. I definitely want to try this out, and it could be like one of those products I just keep on my purse for like every day. And then lastly, this is a product from OUAI. They came out with hair masks earlier this year. They retail for $38. It's just called their treatment mask. I love the packaging. I love OUAI. The smell of their products is so good. They also released perfumes a couple years ago. I went through an entire bottle of perfume. I honestly think that's the only entire bottle of perfume I've gone through maybe in my lifetime, because I love the smell of OUAI products. They need to release candles if they haven't already. They need to do that so badly because their products smell absolutely amazing. I do also love the styling products from OUAI, so I'm sure I would love this. I could use some extra hair help. This is all my extensions from my extensions routine video. My real hair, you guys. Where is it? Like I can't even find it. It is right here. No, that's not even it. Like it's these little pieces right here is where my real hair is. Granted, this is the shortest layer. The rest of my hair is honestly like here. It has grown quite a bit, but I could definitely use the help with some extra hair products, extra hair masks. But that is going to be everything for my current Sephora wish list. I am so excited to shop the sale. I've been kind of in a rut with my makeup routine. I'm really looking to kind of revamp my routine, change out my products, change out how I do my makeup a little bit. Just because I've been doing more natural makeup lately. I feel like I've been mentioning that in every video, but honestly, this is like the most makeup I've worn in a little while. But even though I'm keeping things more minimal, I still enjoy the process of doing my makeup, and I'm excited to try out new products and different techniques with those products. So I'm going to link all of the products down below, and also let me know what's on your Sephora wish list for this month as well. But that's going to be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.